Originally, I will ask people to get different screwdrivers, different flat screwdrivers, star screwdrivers, just different sizes to lose different bolts. Well, I do know not everybody will be able to afford something like that, especially when you are new to repairs as well. So it is necessary you get a screwdriver like this that you can just change easily. Okay, this gives me a flat screwdriver. Now as it stands, this is a flat screwdriver, right? But this is what I need now. I need a star screwdriver. I need a star. What do? All I need to do now is to use this to pull this out. Okay, hello guys, welcome to another class on Benco Institute. I remain your very own Gideon. On today's class, we'll be looking at the very tools you should be needing as a generator user, a generator technician, or even a mechanic. Okay, let's assume you are new to generator repairs. What tools would you be needing? What I will be needing is the screwdriver set. Okay, originally I will ask people to get different screwdrivers, different flat screwdrivers, star screwdrivers, just different sizes to lose different bolts. Well, I do know not everybody will be able to afford something like that, especially when you are new to repairs as well. So it is necessary you get a screwdriver like this that you can just change easily. Okay, this gives me a flat screwdriver. Now as it stands, this is a flat screwdriver, right? But this is what I need now. I need a star screwdriver. I need a star. What do? All I need to do now is to use this to pull this out. Okay, and now I have a star line. We call it the three-way spanner. Why is it called the three-way spanner? 1, 2, 3. I think perhaps that's the reason it got that name. Okay, this particular tool comes in different sizes. Right here we have the 8mm size. This will be able to lose bolts with 8 head, and this is the 10mm size. This will be able to lose bolts equally with 10 head, and this one is the 13mm. However, there are other sizes. You could have 9 here, you could have 11 here, you could have 12 here. But I would personally advise anyone who wants to get this kind of spanner to get the one with 8mm, 10mm, 13mm, or 12mm. Here should be 13 or 12. So if you can get access to this is very good, because this will serve a lot of purpose. Just like I'm about to losing the tank here, I will lose with an 8 spanner, an 8 size. Okay, 8 is losing this presently. For some other generators it will come with 10, and at that point I will switch down to 10 and use 10 to lose. You see, I said this is multi-purpose. While 8 was able to lose the bolt for the tank, 10 will be able to lose something like this. Okay, not just that, 10 will be able to do something like this, okay, and a variety of other bolts. So you could have 10 bolts, 12 bolts, 10 bolts, 8 bolts, and 13 bolts. This spanner would be able to lose it. If you still want to go a little bit better, maybe you have good finance, you can get this in different sizes. While you have this for 8, 10, and 13, you could get the one for 9, 11, and 12, as I've explained earlier. So it's very, very necessary to have this. Another set of spanners I would advise anyone to get is this spanner we call the combination spanner. Okay, there is a reason I asked for this, and there is a reason I always tell any person who is new to generator repairs to get this. Okay, it's because just assume I have a position where this spanner can't get in. I want to lose a particular bolt or not, as the case may be, and this spanner can't get in. What do I do next? I will use the 10. Okay, something like this. A case study is something like this. Okay, let's say I want to lose and I don't have, and of course this spanner can't get into this place like this. Okay, it can't get. Even if it gets, I won't be able to turn it. I will use this to quickly lose it out. Same applies to something like this that is 12. I may have the other spanners and I want to lose out. I won't be able to lose them out. I will use this 12. Okay, I'll use the 12 to lose this out. So the reason I need a 14 combination as well is because of the valve. Okay, it's because of the valve. If you lose this out, setting a valve, you will need a 14 spanner. A 14 spanner is necessary to set a valve, so I will need that. But as a young person coming into generator repair, I know you will not be able to touch valve now, so it may not be necessary to have this. However, if you have the required resources to get more of these spanners, you can go for the 8, look for 8 combination, 10 combination like this already. So you will have 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Just get that. Okay, just get that. That will be necessary for you as well. But without those as well, you can be able to use this and the other spanners I've addressed earlier to basically fix your gen. Another we'll be needing is the screwdriver set. Okay, originally I will ask people to get different screwdrivers, different flat screwdrivers, star screwdrivers, just different sizes to lose different bolts. Well, I do know not everybody will be able to afford something like that, especially when you are new to repairs as well. So it is necessary you get a screwdriver like this that you can just change easily. Okay, this gives me a flat screwdriver. Now as it stands, this is a flat screwdriver, right? But this is what I need now. I need a star screwdriver. I need a star. What do? All I need to do now is to use this to pull this out. Okay, and now I have a star. So getting this screwdriver is very necessary. You need this screwdriver as it's cheaper when compared to the other screwdrivers you'll be needing. All right, so go get this, guys. Another you'll be needing is the pliers. Okay, of course the plier is very much needed. The plier does a whole lot of things. As you all know, the plier basically is used for cutting, right? So anything you want to cut down to a fuel hose, maybe you get a longer fuel hose and you need to trim it to size, you will need a plier for it. You may need to basically work on this plug wire, you will need it for it. And one of the places where this plier is most necessary is when you are basically working on your output socket. Okay, inside this chamber, inside this dashboard, you'll be needing the plier a lot, just like you also need a screwdriver to do many workings inside. So the plier is very necessary. These are one of the relevant tools you should be needing when you are coming into generator repairs, or when you as a user you are trying to fix your generator yourself in the absence of a seasoned technician. Another thing you should need is something like this, a spanner like this. Okay, this is a 6 and 7 m size, 6 and 7 mm size. This basically has its use only in the alternator end. Let's take a look at that. For most generators, the Sumer Farmer, the LFR constant and what have you, these screws here, for this magazine it came with screws, but for most generator this part would come with a 7 bolt. So that is where you need this. You'll be needing this to basically lose out the 7 bolts. Okay, for those that have Sumer Farmer generator and LFR constant generator, you understand better what I'm talking about. And this also will be used inside the generator to lose out the AVRO. Very important. Another tool you should get is the multimeter. The multimeter is very important because that will help you to basically test your generator for voltage, for current, and even for continuity. It is highly necessary. So you need to get the multimeter as well. Another tool you should get, it may not really be a tool, but it's very important for your generator, is the oil funnel. Okay, it is highly necessary you get the oil funnel. The oil funnel basically will help you with your generator, changing the oil of your generator. Let's assume you have something like this, your fuel oil is down, and then of course, because I explained earlier why you need this, 10 will be able to do this. Okay, you lose out with the 10 and you drain out your oil. You will need to refill back. Because of the space that we have here, you can't just actually use the can and turn the oil directly. You will need a funnel, so it is highly necessary you get a funnel to help you out. So guys, that is it from us for this particular video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, honestly I really do not know what you are waiting for. On this channel we drop everything that relates to generator repairs, maintenance, and even troubleshooting. As a matter of fact, we've been able to reach a lot of people through this, and a lot of people have come back to appreciator. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so when other videos are posted, you are among the first to see them. Kindly share to friends and family so they know what we are building on this channel. Okay guys, but I want to create a course for you guys. I will need you to reply me in the comment section. I want to create a course for you guys on generator repairs. It's going to be the best course you will find, in my opinion, because this course, we hope to make it like a mini diploma course. It explains everything from the basics to the advance of generator repairs. I trust you are going to love it, guys, so stay tuned for that. I will communicate that across to you when we are done with the course. Okay, to meet in our next class, guys. It's goodbye from us. Take care.